Alright, so we just got our package from Shopee, and I believe this is the Xiaomi TV Stick that we are about to unbox. It's basically those Android boxes, except now it's into an HDMI stick. You can stream anywhere with this portable media player as long as there's an HDMI port, whether it's a TV or an LCD monitor or even your computer monitor, which is where we're actually going to be testing this product later. So let's see what we have in this box. Oops. I need to slice this part. There we go. And yeah, here it is. The Android Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, which you guys can see has Google Assistant, access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Google Play, Disney, HBO, Red Bull TV, Spotify, Twitch, basically anything you can do with a Android phone. Alright, how do we do this? So I initially bought this because my dad's birthday is coming up and I don't have a gift. So this will do for now. I know they just came back and the TV for them has been acting up, so I got them this. I'm trying to surgically open this, but I don't think that's gonna work, so I'll just peel it open. It's some sticky double-sided tape. Like they don't want you to open the product. There you go. Let's see what we have here inside, which is HDMI. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi, full HD. Alright, we got the stick in itself, which is roughly around 30 grams. What a tomato would weigh normally. So this is what it looks like. Nice. Okay, next we have the power brick, which we'll use. So, and the power cable, one HDMI to micro HDMI. Alright, so in case you need an adapter, then you have a micro USB-C for power. If your TV has a USB slot, you probably wouldn't need this power brick. But yeah, let's see. I'll attach it now to the TV and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we've finished connecting to the internet. Now it's asking me to either sign into my Google account, which I probably won't because I'll be giving this Xiaomi TV stick to my dad, so he should be logging his Gmail on that one. Let's skip this for now. Accept the terms and services. Location, no. Help improve Android, no. Yeah, I like to cancel those stuff. Install additional applications, no thanks. We'll skip those. We'll let my dad decide on that one. Your Mi TV Expo is powered by Android TV. Perfect. Alright, what's next? Get apps from Google Play Store. Very typical. And then you can have the ability to cast whatever it is that's in your phone, assuming that it's under the same Wi-Fi. Terms and conditions for Xiaomi. Alright, let's agree. And we're here. Your TV is now a smart TV. You can choose from Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Google Movies, and other stuff. There's apps here that you can check out. Assuming that you would be downloading them from the Play Store. You also have recommendations to download these particular apps. You can also do games if you're into that, turning your TV into a gaming TV, perhaps. So yeah, let's try the functionality now of the remote by clicking this button over here and then saying "Hey Google, recommend something to watch." Get better voice control. Oh, so it's gonna ask me to sign in, but I probably won't do that. So yeah, those are the functionalities of this stick. Feels pretty smooth. Yeah. If for anything else, you can check out settings. For device preferences, remote accessories, anything you'd like to attach, maybe a Bluetooth speaker or some sort. But yeah, this thing that I bought for like 1,000 pesos, for example, would turn your old TV into a smart TV. Alright, that ends this video. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and do like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos. Let me know if you like this. If for whatever reason, give me a feedback so we can improve this moving forward. Thanks.